एलसीसी प्रेसिडेंट रि-इलेक्ट होती थर्ड टर्म पर इजिप्टर। ओस्माने सोनको को कंट्री रो प्राइम मिनिस्टर हेले? ओस्माने सोनको ऑप्शन है कुवैत, स्लोवाकिया, सेनेगाल, पोर्तुगाल।
सेनेगल।
सेनेगल।
सेनेगाल बिल्कुल। ओस्माने सोंको प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ सेनेगाल। मोहम्मद इस्सकदार को कंट्री डेप्यूटी प्राइम मिनिस्टर हेले?
पाकिस्तान।
पाकिस्तान।
पाकिस्तान बिल्कुल। becomes the first deputy prime minister of Pakistan? सॉरी सेकेंड। 2012-13 पर सेकेंड, तापूर्व और कहीं नथिले। क्रिस्टालिना जॉर्जिएभा को इंटरनेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन रे एमडी हेले पुणी थरे?
आईएमएफ।
आईएमएफ बिल्कुल।
IMF।
क्रिस्टालिना जॉर्जिएभा एमडी ऑफ इंटरनेशनल मॉनेटरी फंड। साइमन हारिस को कंट्री रो प्राइम मिनिस्टर हेले?
इंग्लैंड।
आयरलैंड।
आयरलैंड बिल्कुल। साइनी अब्राहम विल्सन को ऑर्गेनाइजेशन रो मेंबर ऑफ एथलेट कमिशन हेले? एशियन एथलेटिक्स कमिशन एसोसिएशन ट्रिपल ए। एशियन एथलेटिक्स एसोसिएशन रो मेंबर ऑफ एथलेट कमिशन हेले साइनी अब्राहम विल्सन। हम इंडिया रो ट्रैक एंड फील्ड एथलेट थिले। भो थी आन जुआन को कंट्री रो प्रेसिडेंट थिले? वो थी आन जुआन वियतनाम।
वियतनाम।
जार्नी बेनेडिक्सन को कंट्री रो प्राइम मिनिस्टर हेले? जार्नी बेनेडिक्सन प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ आइसलैंड। पीटर पेलेग्रिनी को कंट्री रो प्रेसिडेंट हेले? स्लोवाकिया। स्लोवाकिया। गीता सभरवाल को कंट्री को यूएन रेसिडेंट कोऑर्डिनेटर हेले?
इंडोनेशिया।
इंडोनेशिया। यूनाइटेड नेशंस रेसिडेंट कोऑर्डिनेटर हेले गीता सभरवाल। रिसेंटली एससीसी मेन्स टी20 वर्ल्ड कप रो एम्बेसडर को इंडियन क्रिकेटर हेतले?
युवराज सिंह।
युवराज सिंह। आउ को ओलंपिक गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट एम्बेसडर हेतले? उसेन बोल्ट। अतनु चक्रवर्ती किए?
पीएनबी बैंक।
पार्ट टाइम चेयरमैन ऑफ एचडीएफसी बैंक। एचडीएफसी बैंक। Which generation of computers were based on integrated circuits?
थर्ड जनरेशन।
Third generation. Third generation. Which generation of computers were based on transistors?
जनरेशन।
Second. Which generation of computers were based on vacuum tubes?
फर्स्ट जनरेशन।
First. Which generation of computers were based on VLSI? Fourth. Which generation of computers were based on ULSI?
Fifth. Ultra large cell.
बिल्कुल fifth. Which generation of computers had the foundation of artificial intelligence?
फिफ्थ जनरेशन।
Fifth generation. Which generation of computer saw the introduction of microprocessor? Fourth बिल्कुल। What is error known in computer terminology?
बग।
Very good. What was the name of the first supercomputer of the world?
Univac.
Cray.
Supercomputer
Cray.
Cray 1.
Cray one.
Siddhartha.
Cray 1. Cray 1. Cray 1. In internet business, what does ISP stand for?
Internet Service Provider.
Internet
Service
service
provider.
provider. बिल्कुल. In MS PowerPoint, what is the best way to insert a new slide in a presentation to use?
Control and
Co-view.
Control and New.
Co-view.
Slide View.
Slide shutter view. Slide shutter view. Best way to insert a new slide. In MS Word, which tool has been made for the purpose of synonym and antonym of words?
Thesaurus.
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 बिल्कुल, thesaurus. Dot matrix printer is an example of input or output device.
Input.
Output.
Yes, sir. Printer output.
Output.
Output device. Output. Speed of CPU is measured in what?
Hertz.
Gigahertz.
Megahertz.
Particularly gigahertz. GHz. Doc is the extension of which type of file?
Word.
Document Word.
बिल्कुल, MS Word
What?
or document. C, Basic, COBOL and Java are examples of which level language?
High level.
High
High
level.
level.
High level language. What does USB stand for? USB.
Universal serial bus.
Universal Serial
Serial
Bus.
bus.
Universal Serial Bus. Windows 95-98 NT are known as what system?
Operating System.
Operating system. Control plus Alt plus Delete is used to dash a computer.
Restart.
Restart a computer. To run Thesaurus, which key should be pressed?
Shift F7.
बहुत बढ़िया. Shift plus F7. What does MICR stand for?
Magnetic
Character recognition.
बिल्कुल, Magnetic Ink Character Recognition. The data representation in a computer uses which number system?
Binary.
binary.
Binary, बिल्कुल. Which one is volatile, RAM or ROM?
RAM.
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 RAM is
RAM.
volatile. RAM is volatile. That means when device is shut up, its data are gone. It is a temporary memory. By default, the top margin in the Word document is dash inch.
1.5. 1.25.
Top margin 1 inch.
1.
1 inch. Right margin
1.25.
1.25. Which command lists the contents of a current directory of a disk?
DIR.
dir. बिल्कुल, directory dir. Which command can be used to create the disk track and sectors? Which command can be used to create the disk track and sectors? Format command. Format. Jack Kilby and Robert Noyce developed what?
ENIAC computer.
IC chip. IC chip. Integrated circuit. Which was the world's first commercial computer?
Univac.
Univac. Univac. Which key is used to run the selected command?
CMD.
Which key in keyboard? Enter. Enter key is used to run the selected command. Which memory is used in digital camera?
Flash memory.
Flash memory. Flash memory. What does EPROM stand for?
Electrically
Erasable
erasable programmable readable memory.
EPROM. Erasable programmable read only memory.
Erasable programmable.
EEPROM हेले इलेक्ट्रिकाली हबो. Which network covers a small site area such as single building or campus? LAN, MAN, WAN.
LAN.
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 Local area network.
बिल्कुल. Which network covers city or group of corporate offices?
MAN.
Man.
MAN. Which network covers a large area such as city, state, country, or world?
One.
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 A set of devices connected by communication links is called what? Network. A topology that consists of a number of devices connected by point-to-point links to a central hub is called which topology? Central hub कह
Star
दो.
topology.
Star
Star
topology.
topology.
बिल्कुल. A topology in which every node has a dedicated point-to-point link to all nodes within the network is which topology? Mesh topology.
Mesh.
Mesh topology, in which every node has a dedicated point-to-point link to all nodes within the network. A topology that consists of multiple devices connected by connectors or the main cable.
Tree.
Bus. Bus topology consists of multiple devices connected by connectors or main cable. OSI model is composed of how many layers?
7.
7 layer.
7 layers. Which is the lowest layer?
Application.
Physical layer.
Physical. Which is the topmost layer?
Application layer.
Application.
Application layer. Which layer provides node-to-node delivery?
Network layer.
Physical layer provides node-to-node delivery. What does TCP/IP stand for?
Transmission control protocol.
Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol. The geometric arrangement of devices on the network is called what?
Topology.
Topology.
Topology. ଏତିକି ରଖିବା ପୁଣି କାଲି ଡିସ୍କସ୍ ହେବ କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟରରୁ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ହେବ. ଗୁଡ୍ ନାଇଟ୍, ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ.